How to send money using TapTap Send.
Download and install the Taptapsend app. Open your TapTapsend app. Click on the Sign Up option. Enter your full legal name and click the Next button. Enter your email address and password. And confirm your password by typing it in this box. Select your country from this drop-down right here. And type your phone number in the space. Now, enter your OTP here to verify your mobile phone number and click Next.
Select the country where you'd like to send your money.
I'll select India here. Enter the amount of money you'd like to send here, and you'll see the conversion happen here. You can also see the exchange rate here.
You can use my promo code here, so you'll get $20 when you sign up.
Click on the Next button down here. On this page, allow Taptapsend to access your contacts. Give them permission by clicking right here.
You can also create a new recipient by clicking on Add New Recipient here. Choose your payout method here. I'm going to select
Bank account.
for this tutorial.
Enter the recipient's bank account details. Click Next. Enter your full address here and click Next. Enter your card information here
And click Save.
Enter your date of birth.
When you send money, your recipient will get 2.5% on your transfer.
If everything is correct, click the Send button. Enter your password here to confirm your password. You will receive a copy of your transaction.
If you'd like to cancel, you can see how you can do that by clicking here.
Take a screenshot for documentation of your expense or for future use.